Welcome to AirSon. We're a Swedish engineering company, and we design, build and optimize efficient and reliable production facilities and controlled production environments. Our customers can be found all over the world, and mainly in the pharma, food and high-tech industries. At AirSon, we rely on our more than 40 years' experience to provide intelligent, reliable and efficient engineering solutions within the fields of mechanical, electrical and plumbing services, controlled environments and energy efficiency. We offer our services as engineers and advisors, as well as designers and turnkey contractors. That way, we can deliver the best solution for your specific needs, supporting your process. And while we focus on energy and installation-intensive projects with high demands and tight tolerances, what really sets us apart is the way that we support you as much as you want throughout your entire project. Our projects and turnkey execution contracts meet the most stringent industry standards and encompass everything from initial investigations and establishing of your requirement specification, and all the way through the different design phases, construction and installation at the site, through commissioning and validation, as well as we help you optimize and streamline your energy use once the plant is operational to help you do more with less. And when leading your projects, we can make things happen. Every project is unique, and we value simplicity and a time-efficient approach. So whether you need advice for MEP installations, clean room solutions, or a more sustainable and efficient energy use, with AirSon, you get access to a flexible and pragmatic engineering culture based on collaboration and teamwork. We move quickly and we make things happen. So let's talk. Visit airson.com to discover more.